Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
God, I love you. If we look at our surroundings, we see that God has bestowed numerous blessings on us. The hands and legs we have are the blessings of God. Our eyes and ears are the blessings of God. Our reason and wisdom are the blessings of God. Sun is a blessing of God. Rain is a blessing of God. The fruits we eat and the water we drink are the blessings of God. The world is full of blessings which we use in some way. The more we think about His blessings, the stronger our faith will be in Him, and the more we love Him. One day, God told Prophet Musa alayhi salam, "Love me and do something so that people will love me." Musa alayhi salam said, "O God, you know that no one is more loved by me than you. I love you very much, but the hearts of your servants are not in my hands. How can I do something to make them love you?" God replied, "Remind them of my blessings, and when they will think of my blessings, they will remember me and love me."